Okay, so ang pag-aralan natin ngayon ay ang fundamental trigonometric identities. So ang fundamental trigonometric identities, magagamit natin ito sa pag-simplify ng mga trigonometric functions at magagamit din natin ito sa calculus. Dito natin ma-differentiate kung ang given expression ay na-simplify na sa tamang simplest form. So ngayon, pag-aralan natin yung fundamental identities. At saka may maraming mga identities natin na kailangan din na pag-aralan sa susunod ay ang may iba't ibang double angle identities, half angle identities, sum and difference angle identities. So ngayon, focus muna tayo sa fundamental trigonometric identities. So ito ay ang fundamental trigonometric identities ay binubuo ito sa tatlong identities. So una, ito ay ang reciprocal identities. Ang reciprocal identities may tatlo rin itong reciprocal. So una ay cosecant is equals to cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sin theta. So reciprocal, ibig sabihin binaliktad. Yung sin is equals to 1 over cosecant, binaliktad siya. So ang pangalawa is ang secant is equals 1 over cosine theta. And the third one is cotangent is equals to 1 over tangent theta. So that is a reciprocal identities. So punta tayo sa pangalawa. Yung pangalawa may quotient identities tayo. Yung quotient identities may dalawa, which is tangent is equals to sin theta over cosine theta. So ang cotangent is binaliktad lang yung tangent. So cotangent is equals to cosine theta over sin theta. So yan ang quotient identities. So ang pangatlo, mayroon tayong Pythagorean identities. Yung Pythagorean identities, ito yun yung sa mag-draw tayo ng ginawa ito ng Pythagoras, the rule of Pythagoras. So dito natin malalaman kung i-apply natin sa trigonometric functions. So kailangan natin ito. So sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. So pag may mapapansin kayo dito na sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta, that is equals to 1. Next is tangent squared theta plus 1 is equals to secant squared theta. So kailangan nyo ito tandaan. Ito yung mga basic natin na tandaan para pag may encounter natin ito sa kung magsisimplify tayo ng mga functions, madali na natin yung ma-prove o ma-simplify natin. So pangatlo, 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta. So yung mga kailangan natin tandaan para madali na lang tayo kung mag-simplify tayo ng mga expressions, trigonometric functions. So ngayon, magbigay tayo ng mga examples kung paano ito i-apply, paano ito ma-apply sa bawat expressions. So unang example nito may ito. So this one, number 1, you are required to simplify this given expression. So number 1, tangent theta is equal tangent theta times cosine theta over sin theta. So dito i-apply po natin yung mga tatlong identities sa fundamental trigonometric identities, which is yung reciprocal identities, quotient identities, at saka Pythagorean identities. So ito, tangent, maaari natin i-apply po natin yung quotient identities. So ano po yung quotient identities ng tangent? So yung tangent, papalitan po natin yung ng sin theta over cosine theta. Okay? Kung matandaan nyo yung discussion natin, yung quotient identities ng tangent, which is sin over cosine theta. Yung tangent na ito, papalitan po natin yan ito ng sin theta over cosine theta. Okay? So ngayon multiply po natin ito kasi hindi po natin ito i-applyan po natin. So copy po natin yan, cosine theta over sin theta. After that done, we're going to multiply sin theta multiply to cosine theta, and cosine theta times cosine theta, we're going to cancel. So matitira nito, it's 1, 1, 2, and 1. So that is equals to, matitira natin, the answer is 1. Okay, so 1 is the simplest form of this given function, trigonometric function. Okay, so proceed tayo sa example number 2 para mas malalong maintindihan po natin. Okay, so second example, cosine theta over cotangent theta. Okay, so ito number 2, ma-apply po natin dito yung mga identities. So kailangan natin itong applyan ng quotient identities. Ano po yung quotient identities na ito? So cosine theta, yung quotient identities ng cotangent, ito po yung binaliktad po yung tangent. Yung tangent is sine over cosine. Ito naman yung cotangent, cosine theta over sine theta. So binaliktad lang po yung tangent. Okay, so cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, so after that one, since ito po yung main divider po natin. Okay, so next step po natin yan, i-apply po natin yung reciprocal. Ano po yung reciprocal? Yung reciprocal is ito po yung binaliktad po. So copy po natin yung cosine theta times, since yung denominator po natin, since from division punta tayo, nilipat sa multiplication, kaya ni-reverse din from new denominator na ito mapunta sa numerator, kumbaga may baliktad lang. Okay, so sin theta over cosine theta. Okay, so ngayon, since ito multiply po natin, since may ika-cancel tayo kasi may common, cancel, so ang natitira po natin is yung sin theta. So the answer is sin theta. So ito po yung simplest form, na-simplify po natin yung trigonometric given functions. Okay, so punta tayo sa number 3, tatlong example. Okay, so cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta times tangent squared theta. So dito may apply po natin yung common functions, or para ma-simplify po natin. So dito sa first term, ito po dito natin tawagan ng first term and second term. Makita po natin sa first term and second term na may common. Yung common nila is yung cosine squared theta. So lagyan po natin ng ganyan. So cosine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta, that is 1. Okay, copy po natin ito, yung operation. So, cosine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta, cancel, times tangent squared theta. So, this is tangent squared theta. Okay, so after that one, kung natandaan po natin, balik po tayo sa Pythagorean identities. Ito yung 1 plus tangent squared theta, 1 that is equivalent for secant squared theta. So kopya po natin ito, cosine squared theta times itong 1 plus tangent squared theta is palitan po natin yan kung natatandaan po natin ito. So yung tangent squared theta, so 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. So ito palitan po natin to ng secant squared theta. So after that one, secant squared theta, we are going to apply the reciprocal identities. This one. So kopya po natin cosine squared theta, so times 1 over cosine squared theta. So multiply po natin yung cosine squared theta dito. So multiply po natin, kaya may cancel po tayo, so the answer, may natira po tayong answer is 1. Okay, okay, kita po natin. Okay, so yung pangatlo, yung pang-apat pala, yung 1 plus tangent squared theta over 1 plus cotangent theta. So 1 cotangent theta, may apply po natin yan. So 1 plus tangent squared theta, ito equivalent po natin yan, that is 6 secant squared theta. Papalitan po natin kasi ito 1 plus tangent squared theta is equivalent to secant squared theta. Okay, so and 1 plus cotangent squared theta, that is equivalent for cosecant squared theta. Okay, after that one, we are going to simplify the reciprocal. So that is 1 over cosine squared theta all over 1 over sine squared theta. Okay, next after that one, we're going to reciprocate, copy for the numerator 1 cosine squared theta, multiply po natin sine times squared theta over 1. Okay, so after po natin multiply po natin yan, so multiply po natin sine squared theta over cosine squared theta. So sine squared theta over cosine squared theta in a quotient identities, that is equals to tangent squared theta. So the answer is tangent squared theta. Okay, so ito po yung mga examples po natin na na-apply po natin yung mga identities, yung fundamental identities po. Yan po yung mga examples po natin. Recap po natin po, may mga tatlo po tayong identities. So reciprocal identities, quotient identities, and Pythagorean identities. So yung mga reciprocal identities po, ito po yung cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Quotient identities, ito po yung tangent at cotangent. Pythagorean identities, ito po yung sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. Tangent squared theta plus 1 equals secant squared theta. 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equals to cosecant squared theta. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa pagkikinig po ninyo, and we hope nagustuhan nyo po, and comment po kayo kung may comment po kayo dito sa baba kung may clarification po kayo na dapat nyong itanong, kung hindi po nyo natandaan. Please, kung naintindihan nyo po ba ito, subscribe lang po. Thank you.